Welcome to Akohub, the all-in-one app that grows your business. Building a VIP program has never been easier with Ako Marketing. Let's get started. Make sure the points is enabled in loyalty programs. If not, scroll down, go to points, click enable, and you're ready to start. First things first, let's decide how long your VIP members' benefits will last. Go to programs, VIP, then scroll down, and then settings, edit, and you can choose between custom year and lifetime. Let's take a look what's the difference. Next up, let's decide how your customers can unlock these VIP tiers. Choose between amount spent or points earned as the upgrade method. You can also check accumulated orders. It's all about rewarding your customers. Now, let's add some excitement with different tier levels and entry goals. With our easy-to-use interface, you can customize tier names and set achievable entry goals that keep your customers engaged. From entry rewards to exclusive checkout discounts, our platform lets you create a VIP experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Last but not least, let's add some finishing touches that make your VIP program shine. Customize tag keys and choose icons that reflect your brand, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Double check the settings, then simply click Enable Program to start delighting your customers with VIP treatment. And there you have it, your VIP loyalty program is ready to launch. With Ako Marketing, building a VIP loyalty program is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start creating lasting customer relationships and driving revenue growth today.